Hey guys, I'm gonna do butterfly coasters today. Yep, I got these from Amazon, of course, and there's a whole bunch of different ones, but you're supposed to bend them like this and glue them on the wall with their little, they have sticky things to stick on a little girl's bedroom wall, you know, and they'll look like butterflies. But that's not what I'm gonna do with them. I'm going to embed them in 4 coasters. Now my problem is these beautiful pink coasters are betraying me. Does anybody else who does resin have this problem where they turn matte after a while? I keep finding that and nobody's saying anything about it. Is it just me? What am I doing wrong? Anyway, so these coasters, the shiny ones, will be poured so that the front is on the bottom and they'll come out of the mold and look up. These are going to be done the other way so that this is the top. This will be the top. And all I need is 1 cup. I'm just going to put a little bit of resin of blue violet glitter in this little cup here to pour in here. That'll be the resin over the butterflies, you know. And then these, I'm just going to do clear on the back, clear resin. So I'll pour that right out of my big cup, my big cup. And then I'm going to put the butterflies in. These will be face down, these will be face up. And then I'm going to drop this rainbow ink from Marabou. And it's got a metal thing in it. It's probably going to stick like crazy. It gets stuck down in the tube. On the point. Oh. But anyway, I'm going to do that. This is kind of a blue, I think. So it should look really pretty. And on these, I'm going to do it 2 layers down with the white and see if I can see if it covers the butterflies underneath. I don't think it will. I did that previous video on the shells, the shell coasters, and it didn't. We'll see. This is an experiment. And these, I'm just going to do this up here, but not too much. I don't know, maybe I can't do that. Maybe I'll just, I don't know. We'll see what I do. I don't know. I'll think about it and I'll let you know. Okay. All right, because I think if I put too much of this on, it's going to cover the butterflies up, right? Well, I may not use this on these. I might just do a layer of this on the top. You'll find out in a little bit. Okay, I will go mix my resin and come back. Talk to you later. Bye.